Sleep deprivation is a real public health crisis that devastates millions of lives. Routinely sleeping less than 6 hours a night demolishes the immune system. In the next few minutes, I'll uncover the catastrophic truth about poor sleep on our health and how to fix it immediately. And if you want my free 10-minute checklist with life-saving tips on how to fix poor sleep immediately, just comment checklist below. I'm Ryan Richards, a sleep health expert at Mattress Central in Fairmont, West Virginia. I've helped thousands in our community reclaim their energy and well-being by addressing the root causes of their sleep issues. Let's dive into the terrifying reality of poor sleep and how to take immediate action. Sleep deprivation is a global epidemic. Routinely getting less than 6 or 7 hours of sleep per night is linked to a host of severe health problems. According to Dr. Matthew Walker, lack of sleep has been scientifically linked to increased risks of heart disease, stroke, and Alzheimer's. Sleep is critical for immune function, and inadequate sleep can make people more susceptible to infections and chronic diseases. Let's talk about a worldwide experiment that happens twice a year to 1.6 billion people, and it's called daylight savings time. Every year on daylight savings time, people experience a big change in their sleep patterns. Losing just 1 hour of sleep in spring, we normally see an increase of about 24% in heart attacks the very next day. And in the fall, when an extra hour of sleep is gained, we normally see about a 21% reduction in heart attacks the very next day. This finding truly highlights the profound impact of sleep on cardiovascular health. Sleep deprivation can have immediate and long-term effects on mental health. Chronic poor sleep is linked to depression, anxiety. Lack of sleep affects the brain's ability to regulate emotions, leading to mood swings and impaired judgment. Cognitive functions including memory, attention, and decision-making are significantly impaired after just one night of poor sleep. The causes of poor sleep are numerous and often overlooked. An uncomfortable mattress or pillow leads us to tossing and turning, preventing restorative sleep and causing chronic pain and fatigue. Addressing these issues can dramatically improve sleep quality and overall health. And there are simple adjustments that can make a significant difference. Elevating the head and feet with an adjustable base can improve heart rate, reduce stress on the heart, and make breathing easier. And this adjustment leads to lower blood pressure and better overall health. Proper sleep posture supports the body, alleviating pain and allowing for deeper, more restorative sleep. I've created a 10-minute checklist that details steps to improve sleep and safeguard health. This guide can be a lifesaver, providing actionable steps to ensure quality sleep. Don't wait until poor sleep takes a serious toll on health. Comment checklist below, and I'll send you the guide through Messenger. Take control of sleep and take control of life.